Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
And I have my map out.
Why are you talking like that?
We'd like to point out at this point, the sign said so.
Do you think this is the road?
You sure?
I'm stuck on a rock now, mate.
Are you?
Yeah, this isn't good.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro. Well, good morning, and if it's not good morning for you, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. But either way, this is our final day filming in the Lake District. And do you know what? We're all a little bit flat, to be fair. We're all kind of sat there, and Mr. Dazza is looking like he's going to actually take the day off and just to chill and pack down his camp because he's feeling it as well. It's a little bit sad for any adventure to end. But for me, I want to get out there on the bike. I want to take the Himalayan for its final exploration of the Lake District and just see again what little gems we can find, have a giggle and have a laugh to end this adventure in the true fun, positive helmet head style. So I'm going to get kitted up, I'm going to head out and hopefully show you some more little beauties of this amazing, great place. So let's get going. Well, sidekick, we've had a bit of a morning, haven't we? Everyone's a bit flat. We had SD card problems. Our hero has decided that he thinks he's just going to have a chill out day because he's a bit knackered and all his kit's soaked through. So it's me and you, boy.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the nicest day, is it? But it's the last day, so we've got to go and make the most of it because it's back to reality tomorrow.
That's it. So we're going to head out as we're doing now, obviously, and then we're just going to go and look for some more gens, see what we can find, have a bit of a giggle before we get too wet, and then when we get too wet we're going to head back and just drink beer.
Yeah.
We're having a nice meal in the pub tonight to finish off our little adventure. But do you know what, I am a bit sad that it's our last day, but at the end of the day we've got to make it the most of it. So let's have a bit of a giggle. Well, look at this. We are trying to find a track to go down and we keep basically getting lost, but we are like riding on this really kind of wooded kind of trail, aren't we, really? It's not, it's a road, but
we're out on the main road now.
After all of that, we're out on the main road, but we just rode through a really cool kind of, even had moss growing in the road of how little that's used. That was quite weird, but cool.
That was good. Yeah, like I said, moss in the middle of the road. I think he wants to turn up here. Right, let's go and get out of the way.
So we're getting out the map again. This is about the 5th time we are proper lost.
We're not lost, we're just trying to find something that's not...
Yeah, we're lost.
We're
but
not lost.
It's very pretty, I've got to say. It's very woody, it's very pretty. But we're looking for like a wooden trail so we can get some epic footage and hopefully not get bogged down because as you can see, everywhere's very wet. But we're getting there.
Yeah.
So tell us the plan, BA.
Right, so here we are south of Ambleside, and I have my map out.
Why are you talking like that?
Because that's how you have to talk when you get your map out.
Okay.
No, so we are here. This is the dangerous road sign here. So there's lots of little tracks and all sorts around here that we can go and explore. So we could go down that way and go around here. There's a disused quarry and that looks quite good around there.
Let's go to a disused quarry, come on.
Hang on, and there, there's loads here. We can go up that way, around here. I mean, look, there's loads of little tracks, and there's disused quarry down here. We might be able to go down there, then come around here. So there's loads to go and explore around here.
So what you're saying is we're about to go and do the most epic, crazy, really don't know what we're doing, but it could be out of this world.
Could be, yeah.
Shall we?
Let's go and do it.
Let's go and do it.
Here we go.
Let's go and see what we can see.
Yeah, I mean, this is, like you said, this is like a roady bit, and then we're going to get off onto the track.
Yeah.
So it should be good. I really want to go down this disused quarry, but we'll see if we can get there.
There's loads to go and see around here by the looks of it.
Oh look, you're going all like father-like. You'll be alright, boy, you'll be alright. You relax. Oh, this road isn't as dangerous as they say it is it?
Well,
I think if you were in a bigger vehicle maybe, but this is just
Paved, isn't it? Which
yeah.
need to try and find something that's not paved.
welcome to this epic dangerous road that's really well but it's really well paved, and it's got sandboxes in case it gets a bit slippy. We'd like to point out at this point the sign said so. Well, this is pretty.
Yeah.
At the very least we can sell it. Oh, here we go, this is more like it.
Ooh.
Now this is it. Oh, I'm loving it. Long time. Bit of gravel.
Hey.
Bit of easy gravel, mate.
The tarmac's gone.
Now we're talking. Now we're in the woods. Me and you in the woods, mate. Up. Woohoo!
Bit more like it.
Oh, a bit of mud. Let's go for it. Oh, living it, living it, living it. Right, what's this down here? There's a bridge.
Good way.
Let's just stop here for a sec. Let's just take this in.
Do not park here. So Little Langdale, that's up there.
Keep going.
Well, let's have a look down here. I don't know, by the looks of it.
This is the community access road. Access is required 24/7.
Let's go down and have a look. We might not be able to get any further.
Okay.
We'll,
Well, at least
If we cut it there, we could pretend that we've done this epic woodland crossing.
could do. Let's have a look. Right, let's just stop here and check them. Oh, it looks like it goes up there.
get the map out.
Yeah, I'm just having a quick look. Just familiarise myself with where we are.
Leroy, look, we can go for a fishing. You could catch tea.
I don't think you'd even catch crabs in there. What we'll do is we'll follow this all the way to the end, just have a look, and then we'll come back down and we'll tee off the other way then.
Right.
That'll look good.
So we're playing golf then? Oh, he didn't like that.
No, Alan, we're not playing golf, are we?
He said tee off.
So what's with the shit dad joke?
You are in a right misery guts mood today. Oh, you were bad yesterday, but today you're even worse. No, Alan, we're not doing this, Alan. Follow me, Alan.
I need a wee.
You know, and you need food. You're hungry.
I'm not hungry.
Go on then. Come on, Grumpy Pants. Let's have some fun.
Let's
Way up. Stand up, look like a pro. Took my helmet down, whack my visor up, so I've got some protection because it is a bit technical. Summer, sun, little baby. To be fair, mate, this is pretty cool.
Oh.
Yeah, this will do, wouldn't it?
This will do. I don't think a car's been down here for a while. I'm just chugging along in first gear. I'm like, it's a nice little pace, this is. Is that? It's not. Oh, why would they do that? No, it's going to go towards you, right?
Yeah.
I'll back up for you. Yeah, you stay on it. I'll open it. You close it. Just remember, this is the first and last time I offer to do that. Just clean your lens, like a good boy. Chief, Master, Commander, actually, Sidekick.
Thank you.
Trying too nice now, what's going on? Trying to counter your mardiness. Quite funnily, these rocks seem like nothing compared to yesterday.
Alright.
Remember to steer with your ankles, your knees. Stay loose on the bars.
Alright, I don't need the instructions.
Sidekick is on his period.
I need a wee.
Do you want to stop for a wee?
Well, not right near somebody's house.
Oh, all right, just knock on the door. Excuse me, odd, can I have a little bit of a tingle in your old toilet? Like that, and they'll go, ah, yes, please do. Release your beast. Oh, mate. Upper 4 cars, no turning places. Yes. Hang on.
What?
Well, are we definitely going up there?
I think so.
Shouldn't have stopped, really, should I? I've stopped in a really silly place.
I think this is the road.
You sure?
Well, there was no others, was there? And this should bring us out.
Should have stood up and got my pace going. What a
Not
wally.
really, I can't get going.
No, mate, this has got steps.
Is it?
Whoa! Yeah,
Okay.
this is definitely not a road.
Okay. How big are the steps?
Well, not massive. I can give it a go if you like.
No, it's not.
It's definitely not designed for... It's not wide enough for... Well, probably get one of the old-fashioned Fiats down there, little Panda. Oh, I'm stuck now, aren't I? See, if we had the hero with us now, right? You know what would happen?
What?
He'd just come and carry me down. Do you reckon he's had enough for saving us today?
Probably.
I'm stuck on a rock now, mate.
Are you?
Yeah, this isn't good. Oh, shit the bed. Come back for me in a week, yeah?
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Come on, Himalayan, you've never let me down in the whole month we've been together. Must be a month by now, mustn't it? You've always done me well. Oh, shit, the bed. Oh, shit. Oh! This is not going well, mate. I'm gonna have to let go and do it. I'm just gonna have to do it. Oh! I'm not gonna lie. That is definitely... There we go, up on the pegs at last, now I'm safe. That was definitely the end of the road.